Hello everyone, I am going to explain question number 5, 6 and 7 of exercise 17.4. The question 5th is, we have to find out the assumed mean of this table, and here assumed mean we have to take 25 only, it is given to us. So see the table format of this question. So when we have to solve the question by assumed mean method, the table format is first column is of Ci, then Fi, then Xi, then Di and then Fi Di. Ci is for the class interval which we can get from the question. Fi is for the frequency, that also we can get from the question. Now Xi is for the class mark. To obtain the class mark, the formula is upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. So upper limit is 10, lower limit is 2. So upper limit plus lower limit is 10 plus 0 upon 2. That will give you 5. In the same way, here to enter the class mark for this row, upper limit is 20, lower limit is 10. So 20 plus 10 upon 2, that is 15. In the same way, we will obtain all these class mark. Now here it is, we are bounded that we have to take 25 only as the assumed mean. So we assumed A as 25 because it is mentioned in the question. Now taking A as assumed mean, 25 as assumed mean, we will find out the deviation. Deviation formula is Xi minus A. So 5 minus 25 will give you 20. In the same way, 15 minus 25 will give you minus 10. Like this, we have to obtain the Di column. Now multiply the corresponding terms of Fi Di, that is Fi is for this complete row, Fi is 6 and Di is 20. So 6 multiplied by 20 will give you 120. In the same way, 10 multiplied by 10 is 100. Then 13 multiplied by 0 is 0. Then 7 multiplied by 10 is 70. So like this, we have to obtain Fi Di column. Fi Di column means you have to multiply the corresponding terms of Fi and Di column. After multiplication and writing the data here, add them, and you can see the summation of Fi Di is minus 70. In the same way, summation of Fi column is 40. Now we will see the formula. Formula of to find out the mean by assumed mean method is A plus sigma Fi Di upon sigma Fi. A is 25, which I wrote here. Sigma Fi Di from the table we obtained as minus 70, so minus 70 here. Fi is, sigma Fi is 40, so instead of sigma Fi, we write here 40. Then 0 cut by 0, then take the LCM here. So that is LCM and subtraction will give you 93 upon 4. Divide them, you will get 23.25. That is the mean of this given question. Now we will move to question number 6. Question number 6 is, here some age groups are given to us and these are the number of patients which arrived in the hospital. We have to find out the average age in years per patient. So we have to find out the average age of the patient which are arriving to the hospital. So we have to find out mean by assumed mean method. That's why the table format is, first column is Ci, then Fi, then Xi, then Di, like this, same. So here Ci column will obtain from the question as it is. Fi column again will obtain from the question as it is. Xi is for the class mark. Now class mark you have to calculate, that is upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. So 14 plus 5 upon 2, that is 19 upon 2 will give you 9.5. In the same way, 24 plus 25 upon 2 will give you 19.5. In the like this, just enter all the data after doing the calculation of particular class interval and write the data in Xi column. Now Di is for the deviation. The formula of deviation is Xi minus A. A is representing here assumed mean, that we have to assume from Xi column. We will take any data from the middle. So here there are two data, 29.5 and 39.5. Among them any one you can take as assumed mean. I assumed 29.5 as A. So I wrote here, let assumed mean A is equal to 29.5. Then 9.5 minus 29.5 will give you minus 20. In the same way, 19.5 minus 29.5 will give you minus 10. Like this, just enter all the data here. After entering the data, multiply DI and FI column, that is 6 into 20, 120, and then 11 into 10, 110. But because of this minus sign will appear here, and the remaining all are going to be like this. Same way you have to multiply the FI DI and write the data here. Then to find out the sigma FI DI, you have to do total of this column. So when we'll do the total, we'll get answer 430, and when we'll do the total of sigma Fi, we'll get here 80. Now we'll see the formula. Formula of mean is A plus sigma Fi dA upon sigma Fi. So we'll put the values here. After putting the values, I took the LCM here, then I divided, so we got the answer 34.875 years is the average age of the patient which arrived in the hospital. Now we will see the question number 7. We have to find out mean. So mean we are going to calculate by assumed mean method. So table format is same as we had done in previous question. So this column we'll get from the question. Fi column we'll get from the question. Class mark we have to get from upper limit plus lower limit upon 2, that is 45. Then 60 plus 50 upon 2, 55. In the same way, remaining all data you have to get from their corresponding class intervals. Now DI is for the deviation. Deviation formula is Xi minus A. Now A is for assumed mean, which you have to assume any data from the middle. So there are two data, 65 and 75. Among them, take any one data as assumed mean. So I took 65 as assumed mean. Then subtract 45 minus 65 will give you minus 20. In the same way, 55 minus 65 will give you minus 10. Then 65 minus 65 is 0. Now why we are doing this? Because of this formula Xi minus A. So these are the Xi and A is always 65. Like 85 minus 65 is 20. Like this you have to find out the DI column. Now after finding the DI column, we have to find out Fi DI column. Fi DI means multiplication of Fi and DI. So we will multiply the corresponding terms of Fi DI, that is 10 into 20 minus 200, 25 into 10, that is minus 250. Like this, just fill the data. Then find out the summation of Fi DI and find out the summation of Fi. Means add all these data and here also add all these data. Now we'll see the formula. Formula of mean is A plus sigma Fi dA upon sigma Fi. In that put the value. A is 65. Fi dA from the table is 320. Sigma Fi is 100. Now from back, after 2 place, just put the dot. That will give you, or just take the LCM. After LCM, divide by 100, then you will get 62.5. 68.2 is the mean of this question. Thank you.